Piggy. What, Redbird? Oh, what? Just wondering what you were up to today, since I know all the bad stuff you be doing. Wow. Can I get a break for one day? As long as you behave, which you'll never. You're right on that. Unfortunately. And I'm here to say that you're still grounded. Why you always have to ruin my day by saying I'm still grounded? Just to let you know. Oh my gosh. I hate you. I hate you too. Now, don't do anything bad, because I already know you will, so why am I even saying this? Well, something's definitely bad happening to you now. Oh, you're gonna get, Redbird. You're gonna pay the price. What's this? A robot, a busted down robot. I know. I'll just... Wait, I'll turn him on. Your commission is my demand. Oh my gosh! This is perfect. Robot. What? Kill Redbird. He's over there. Wait, what? Destroy. Destroy. Yes. Destroy. Destroy. Ow! Destroy. Oh no. Destroy. What? What happened? He ran out of battery. It was just getting to the good part too. Another failed attempt. Shut up. You're grounded.